Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video of Python for Beginners series, we'll be studying about dictionary. Okay, so what is dictionary? So dictionary is also a data structure, okay, that is used to store multiple data types. Okay, so before we move on to with the dictionary, I would also like to tell you guys that list, string are also a type of data structure. Okay, they are used to store data values of different data types. So they just come under sequential data types. Okay, they are basically data structures: list, string, tuple, and so on. Okay, I just needed to clarify that. Okay, now moving on with dictionary. So yeah, in dictionary we store key value pairs. Okay, by key value I mean they like this. So for one corresponding key there will be a value. So this value can be an integer, can be a float, can be a string, can be a list, can be a tuple, or anything. Okay, so dictionary basically is ordered, changeable, and unique. Okay, so by ordered I mean that all values in your dictionary are ordered. Okay, like you can access them. Okay, like you can access them without worrying key in the first trial you will get one value, in the second trial you will get one value, just in the case of sets. Okay, so yeah, ordered. Now changeable. So changeable means that value in the dictionary can be changed. Okay, unlike your set or let's say tuple, the values in the dictionary can be changed. Now coming to unique, so it means that all the keys in your dictionary cannot be duplicated and they should be unique. Okay, so dictionary is ordered, changeable, and unique. Okay, like with unique you can say and contains unique elements. Okay, unique keys. So now we will be talking about how to initialize syntax or initialize your dictionary. Okay, so you will just give a variable name and do a curly braces, and this is your dictionary. So this is how you can declare your dictionary. Okay, and next, if you want to declare a dictionary with some values in it, with key value pair, right, as I told before, you can do like this: 0 1 1 3 2 4. Okay, so over here keys are 0, 1 and 2, and the values are their corresponding values 1, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the one way that you can declare a dictionary. Now second way is with the dict keyword. Okay, so for this you can just do variable name, type dict and just go like name equals to Prajwal, age equals to 25, is student equals to false. Okay, because I am not a student anymore, so I'll do false over here. Okay, even though I'm learning a lot of stuff. But yeah, anyways, so this is how you initialize your dictionary. And when you do print of D, you will get some result like this. Okay, so the reason behind giving this particular example will be in my next explanations. Okay, so as you can see, dictionary can contain key value pairs of any data type. Okay, be it string, be it integer, be it boolean. Okay, so data type can contain dictionary can contain key value pairs of any data types. These are the key notes from this. Okay, now second, if I say like it is for the reference of the unique this like definition of the unique. So if I do d of, like if I try to add d of name equals to, let's suppose, test over here, so what do you think will happen? As I said, the keys are supposed to be unique. What do you think is supposed to happen? Should it give an error, or should it run properly without error? I would like you to pause the video and like think once. If you want to check what will happen, you can also use your any code editor to just check what will happen. Okay, so I am hoping you have paused the video and did it yourself. So yeah, it will run properly without an error. But if you will try to print your dictionary, then it will give you name as test instead of Prajwal, and rest of the key value pairs will be like that only. Okay, so the keys are supposed to be unique. Okay, keys are supposed to be unique, and if you try to add a new key with actually add key with already existing name in dictionary with different value, the previous value of key will be overwritten. Okay, so this is about unique. Now third thing is also explained with this above example only, changeable. So you can change value of particular key in dictionary. Okay, so to do that, you just need to type the name of your dictionary in square bracket pass the key and just change the value. So this will give me age equals to 30, name equals to test, and so on. ठीक है, when you try to print your dictionary. Okay. Now I think this is enough about dictionary for this lecture. It has gone like above 10 minutes as its own. So we'll talk about the rest of the remaining dictionary in the next lecture. So we'll be covering accessing elements in dictionary, okay, looping elements, looping in dictionary, and what else can we do. I'll also like to show you sorting in dictionary. Okay, so we'll be covering these 3 topics in the next lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and for any queries or any questions or any suggestions as well, please do comment on this video. I would love to respond it like in a very positive way if it is a suggestion. Rest, thanks for watching my video and have a great day. Bye.